Picture with me a small cloud floating over the great Andes Mountains. In that cloud, there is one drop of water, quiet, looking over the world from above, waiting for its time to drop. Once part of this white mass, it has moved thousands of kilometers with the winds, until the first bit of cold pulls it down, and with the rain, it lands on an aging, cold stone. Thus begins the journey of a lifetime. The droplet begins to trickle down the rough face of the mountain, following blades of grass and going into deep forests. A few of the droplets go into the thirsty ground. Some go to lakes, but not this droplet. This droplet continues its journey because it dreams of the ocean. It becomes part of a tiny stream, joining thousands of droplets just waiting. Together they push forward, gather strength, and grow until they turn into one of the many great rivers. This great river crashes down from the mountains, flows through green valleys, feeding animals, humans, and countless lives. And one last thing. The droplet becomes ocean water. Massive waves greet it. Oceans of water and countless droplets from every part of the globe encapsulate it. At last, it can experience liberation. It merges with the endless expanse, alongside those who have patiently gone through the same voyage to reach this place. Yet there exists a beginning in every end. The warmth of the sun can lift a droplet skyward, vaporizing it, summoning it to the heavens, to unite with a cloud once again, to repeat this journey over and over and over, as it has for billions of years. The tale of a single droplet is not simply a tale of the natural world. It is a saga, an unending cycle, starting from a cloud to the earth, to the sea, and returning to the sky. The very first chapter of Water on Earth marked the start of this process, and it shall continue for millions of years thereafter. It is said that in this unending journey, nature is relentless. Every component, regardless of how insignificant, contributes to the astounding tale of life. View this differently. A single droplet battles relentlessly to reach the ocean. In that fight, the remarkable structure of our world can be glimpsed. The next time you raise a glass of water, remember this. The glass is filled with the memories of Earth. It is possible that the water you sip once splashed on a dinosaur's skin. It could have bathed a Roman soldier's body after a fierce fight, or shined on Cleopatra's skin when she bathed in luxuries. Your water might have been resting in a jar owned by a philosopher in Greece, or it could have been a tear shed by a captive man in a busy market. It could have heated up in a Viking's potion during one of their raids, or it may have trickled down the brow of Galileo as he stared at the stars. It might have been spewing out of the fountains in Andalusia, inspiring poets whose words we recite till this day. These all are possibilities, as water on Earth is a closed system. No additional water has come from outside our world or has left our world. Every single drop of water still exists.
And the water we have is just shifting from one form to the other. From the oceans to vapor,
From vapor to clouds,
then rain,
next to rivers,
and then into your body, and then returning back to the cycle.
If you think you have water now,
Then you are wrong. You have water that has gone through all the corners of Earth.
and is older than humans. It is water that has been a part of history.
And has gone through empires, civilizations, and then flowed into you.
So, the next time you wish to hydrate yourself, do remember that as far as Earth is concerned,
You are tasting the memory of Earth. And what about water in the context of space? Is the story different in the vacuum of space? Such simple words never fail to evoke wonder, the bare, essential element, aiding in the sustenance of life. The bare, essential solvent for life in reality is the most intriguing enigma of the entire cosmos. It did not start on Earth.
it was created long, long ago,
In the aftermath of the Big Bang.
when hydrogen combined with oxygen. In the vast universe, the first droplets were created. Out in the universe, there are far more unimaginable places where water can be found.
Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moon.
Enceladus both freeze water and have geysers that shoot out water thousands of kilometers in the form of ice and steam between stars. Water can be found drifting as
Vapor and accumulating in nebulae.
the places where planets are born.
Some clouds even have more water than Earth can contain. Again, water is not rare, rather plentiful. In the universe, in space, water can be seen as an alien. It can be found freezing rock hard on Pluto, or boiling as steam near blazing stars. Most scientists believe Earth's oceans
Came from comets, wanderers from the distant Oort cloud.
with ice cores. Some melted after smashing into Earth, creating the oceans we have today. The water in your veins was once part of a comet.
Drifting trillions of kilometers from Earth's orbit. Water connects the past and future, links stars and planets, joins Earth and the universe.
Every drop holds the remains of long dead stars.
Ancient worlds' dust, and the soft sounds of life's dreams elsewhere.
What number of extraterrestrial worlds hold secret seas wrapped in frozen shells?
Which of the worlds bide their time for their waters to melt? How many gases drifting among the stars speak the same words of existence as life?
The words of H2O.
The compound that gives breath to everything. Ultimately, water is not merely a compound. Life in water is something that is real.
It is a witness dash.
A life sign of the cosmos that states, even in shadow, even in the great stillness, life
Exists, always ready to spark.